Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Yellow Pencil WordPress. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and locate the Plugins section. Click Add New and search for Yellow Pencil Visual CSS Style Editor. Install the plugin, which typically takes only a few seconds, then activate it. This crucial step enables the visual editor, allowing you to begin customizing your website's appearance immediately. You're now ready to transform your site with ease. Once activated, you'll find the Yellow Pencil editor accessible from your admin bar. Click to launch it and instantly see your website in a live editing environment. Simply click on any element you wish to modify, whether it's a heading, paragraph, or image. The intuitive editor panel on the left will then display various styling options, allowing you to adjust colors, fonts, and spacing with just a few clicks. It's incredibly straightforward. Beyond basic adjustments, Yellow Pencil offers powerful advanced features. For those comfortable with code, the built-in CSS editor allows you to write custom styles directly, providing complete control. You can also add engaging animations and smooth transitions to elements, making your site more dynamic. Furthermore, easily manage responsive design by setting unique styles for different screen sizes, ensuring your website looks perfect on every device, from large desktops to small mobile phones. After perfecting your design, saving your work is simple. Click the Save button, and your custom styles will be applied directly to your WordPress theme, ensuring they persist across updates. For backup or migration, you can export your CSS files with just one click. Should you ever need to revert changes, Yellow Pencil maintains a comprehensive revision history, allowing you to restore previous versions of your styles effortlessly. This provides peace of mind and flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.